Well, today's the day, fat butts. We have to leave you. We're going bye-byes. We'll be back later, though, okay? 9 more days. Actually, probably 10 from today. Maybe 11. 10? Yeah, maybe 10. Mac Mac. We're gonna miss you guys. So it is 6:30 in the morning. We're just getting packed up. We're gonna go down to Miami a day early. We're gonna get us a hotel room. That way we're good and ready to board the ship. I think our board time is like 12:30, 1 o'clock. So we're gonna get this truck loaded up. We'll hit the road. All right, we're ready to go. We got our bags tarped up. On to Miami. Miami bound. That's the Virgin cruise ship. Virgin Voyages. Top bands be on this plane. I guess we're gonna find out if we're gonna do. Go slow so we don't bounce. Why? Because of Miami Vice?
Parking garage is nice, right?
Are you joking? I can't tell.
Yeah, joking.
We maybe had like that much room. There's a Grom. you that. Say you can't have a room with a view. Right?
So, Dad, I heard that I'm gonna have to sleep on the
Shorts, baby.
I hear that I have to sleep on the floor tonight.
Is that a topless beach?
Do you want your shorts?
Look at all those containers coming in.
Do you want
Way
your
out
shorts?
there.
I mean your belt.
Sure. I haven't taken you to the beach yet, have I, Babs?
No.
Oh my gosh, we've been together for 10 years.
Watch for your step and the jellyfish and stuff.
What do you mean, where?
Jellyfish.
No, that's not a jellyfish.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you have to watch where you
You know
step.
they can only sting you where you have hair?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't think so.
Hey Karen, my name's Robert with South Georgia Hot Shot. You guys were supposed to be doing a diagnosis on my truck. I was calling to see if you guys figured that out. Okay. Do you have an idea on the price for that? Okay, and that would be for the injector and cups. Disassemble, install. That's what they think it is. Now what happens if we replace that and that doesn't fix the problem? Because that's my luck. Yeah. Right. Okay. Well, like, I don't know who I was talking to when I was up there the other day, but I'll be on a cruise for the next 9 days, so I will be unavailable. It's been as soon as I booked this cruise, my truck broke down, so it's like a sign from the gods to never go on vacation ever again. Yeah. Nobody. Yeah. I mean, I guess we need to do the injectors and the cups and hope for the best. Yeah. Yep.
It's like these are paper straws.
Oh, they are paper straws. That's why they give you so many of them. You're deep throating it. Hit it like you mean it.
Injectors blow out in that bitch.
Yeah.
Eating his hat.
Nice.
I'm telling you, our shit was so bad. It was dangerous to drive it.
I missed it. Oh, did you see the little baby rooster?
Yeah, I saw that.
I missed it.
They had a fucking snake.
I love romantic.
All right, so we went to bed kind of early last night. We ate dinner here at this what's this place called, Bebs? It's a Cuban restaurant. It was all right. We got oxtail, puerta sagua, oxtail, steak. What's that other thing called?
Paella.
Paella. Got a paella, and then clam chowder, and then a pork soup.
Yeah, it was really good.
Pork soup. Yeah, it was all right.
I thought it was pretty.
Shut it down early last night. Stayed up all night long listening to everybody party and making noise. So we woke up at like 7:30. They have a bacon bitch here, which is a restaurant me and Lita found when we were in where was that? St. Augustine?
St. Petersburg.
St. Petersburg when we were in Florida with her parents, and it was don't know, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna shoot over there. We still have a couple hours before we can board. It's 9 o'clock right now. And I think we can board at 12:30 to 1, right?
Yeah, I think that's what the class says.
So we'll go get some breakfast, and then I've paid for 9 days of parking. We'll have to go drop the truck off there, and then we'll probably drop the girls off because it says they can only take a maximum of 4 of us back to the port. So we'll drop them off, and then they'll shuttle us back.
In the center, we have sticky, that is syrup, pardon me. Mr. Bitch, that is gravy. Spicy is hot sauce.
It's not back in the book. She took it out of the book. Boarding loan. Here, let's take a selfie, Bebs.
Punch it all up here too. No, we got heavy ass bags.
Is this what you thought it would be like?
Guests do not watch the life jacket demonstration on the app. We'll give you a live presentation at your assembly station. For children between 3 and 11 years old, your safety wristbands can be found in your station.
So, we're still waiting to see if they've upgraded us because I bid on some rooms.
Explain safety 1, 2, 3.
So we will have to see. Let's see what we got here. We got shower, toilet.
And don't forget to check the safety page on the Royal Caribbean app for more information. So once again, ladies and
Sofa,
gentlemen,
bed.
your staterooms are now open and you can proceed to your staterooms. Enjoy.
Casino too? Is that the exclusive we're using? Apples? Yeah. So we got delayed a little bit. I guess the ship was waiting on 2 different people. So we finally made it out of port, and we are hitting the seas. Good thing there's glasses here because it is windy.
Yeah, look at, you can see all Miami over there.
Oh, I almost fell over.
Yeah, we're
I mean, you
turning.
could see the people down there.
Yeah, Lad's got the wind in his face. He doesn't get the wind change.
He's not talking enough. Bro, you can't eat at this buffet. Your face doesn't go up to the glass.
Because I'm so small.
Lad's like, I'm the only one eating at this buffet. All the bugs are hitting me in the mouth.